Welcome to Cooking for Baby and Me. I'm Lauren Rabin. On today's show, we're featuring green beans. Joining me on the show today is Dr. Kristen Gillier and Chef Anthony Bonett, who will be showing us how to make healthy meals your whole family will enjoy. Chef, what are we making today?
Two different style green beans. A nice vegetable. I know a lot of kids do eat them. We have some boiling salted water. We're just going to put the green beans in the water.
And what does blanching do to the green beans?
Blanching brings out the green color in them, cuts down your cooking time. You want to make sure you remove them and put them into ice water. It stops the cooking process.
So we've got some blanched green beans over here.
You want to start with your butter in your pan. More of an Italian flavor, so we'll have the olive oil going in my pan. And do you want to use some shallots, do you think, for the kids? Or you could put your potatoes in. So you want to do that?
And Doctor, I think you just boiled the potatoes?
Right? Yeah, good. You can put them all.
So we'll just brown
them
up.
I'm going to put my potatoes in. My pan's getting a little bit hotter. And you can see these potatoes are going to saute. And what I wanted to point out was that, you know, if I want to brown my potatoes a little heavier and have sort of like more of like a crust to them, you know, and a lot of kids don't really like that kind of heavy cooking. You know, they like their things a little softer,
a little plainer.
More like, a little more
plainer the better, right?
You know, so I always like to season every step of the way. So we'll salt, pepper, our potatoes.
Doctor, do you know some health benefits of green beans?
Fresh green beans, they have lots of vitamins, vitamin C, vitamin A, so they're great.
Probably essential for your
child
and yourself.
Pregnancy and young children. Healthy, balanced diet.
So for this recipe, we're going to do a little bit of diced ham.
Okay.
You can use any kind of, like, if you want to use a healthy ham, a low salt ham, or any kind of ham you're comfortable using. Let's put your green beans in, and after about, go ahead and put them in now. We'll toss them all together. You know, garlic goes great with green beans. It goes great with potatoes.
When I was younger, I cooked with my mom, and we did kind of bland recipes. So.
Do you think it's important to cook as a family in the home to bring families together?
Bring families together and to learn. So when you're out on your own, you are able to cook and not eat out all the time and have good fresh.
A piece of your butter to finish mine. So I added some garlic. I added my secret ingredient, anchovies, into mine.
Anchovies.
I love anchovies. Chefs love anchovies.
And anchovies is a great source of omega-3.
Yes.
The secret ingredient for your green beans is we're going to finish up with a little bit of cheese. I think you can serve this with any protein and really have a nice meal for your children.
And it took no time. I mean, you made it in about 2 minutes, so
it's really quick.
That's good for all busy moms and dads.
If you're a mother at home and you're cooking for your husband or your grown children, this, once again, is a great side dish.
And when can kids start eating them?
So starting at 6 months, we start introducing solid foods, and then it's kind of a slow introduction, variety of different foods.
And I guess as they progress, you can
and as
not
they
cook them as much.
Get teeth and are able to chew instead of having just the cereals.
Yeah, I found that green beans were great for my kids because they can hold them themselves and kind of gnaw on the ends. So
they'll use it for teething too. You can freeze them and then it's nice and cold on their gums.
Great tip. It's also good for your brain too, right?
Yes.
Are we ready to taste these delicious meals?
Great.
All right, let's try the kids first.
Okay, I'm going to get a potato.
Make sure you get some ham in there.
Looks great. Can't imagine a kid not liking this.
My daughter has celeac disease. There's no wheat in that. She would love that.
Yeah,
love
it
it.
would be perfect for her.
Perfect.
Nice.
All right, should we try the adult?
Do it.
Okay.
Well, this is harder.
I know. You've got to cut these potatoes.
And you can see the difference in the flavor. Nice kind of like...
The flavor, and that's delicious. I can taste the anchovy.
It's very good. And you have to remember to take care of yourself too as a new mom. Because breastfeeding, being up with the kids, as much as you want the kids to eat healthy, you still need to take care of yourself.
And have the energy to take care of them.
Exactly.
And have food that tastes great too.
Yeah.
Exactly. Thank you so much,
You're
Chef.
welcome.
Thank you
It was
so
my
much,
pleasure.
Doctor. And I can't wait to make these for my family.
It was a lot of fun. Thank you.
Delicious.